Day 10 of a non-tech beginner self-learning AI. Over the past 10 days, I studied 2 tutorial videos by OpenAI's co-founder Andrew Karpathy about large models, totaling nearly 6 hours. To be honest, watching these kind of educational videos was quite challenging at first, but I gained a lot by sticking through them. Of course, today I'm not here to repeat these confusing technical terms. I'm here to dumb it down. I use 3 simple analogies to explain what a large AI model actually is, how it's trained, and how regular people can efficiently check with it. I guarantee you understand it right away. Let's get started. So, first of all, what is large AI model? We can consider it as a master of cloud tasks. I used to think AI could think like a human, but in reality, its core skill is essentially promoting cloud tasks. In fact, it has read all the books on the internet. For example, if you type in "nothing beats a," it searched through the massive amount of tasks it has read and find the words "a J2 holiday" has the highest probability of appearing, so it fills in "nothing beats a J2 holiday." Most of the time, however, its cloud tasks are much more complex. For instance, if you ask it, "Help me write a leave request letter," the AI sees it as filling in countless blanks perfectly based on the task. "Dear, hello, due to what reason I blah blah." The essence of a large AI model is training it to become an expert at super close tasks. It guesses the next word based on tasks and its anonymous database, and it guesses so accurately that it seems like it's thinking and communicating. So, how is AI trained? There are 3-step training process. The first step is pre-training. We can consider it as AI self-studies in a library. The AI placed in a super library made up of all the tasks on the internet and does nothing but cloud tasks all day. During this process, it gradually learned grammar, facts, logic, and even relationships between different languages. But if you ask it anything, it will only regurgitate knowledge from the task. This is called the base model. The second step is supervised fine-tuning. It's like experts refine the AI's behavior. Although the base model is knowledgeable, it's essentially just a massive connection of internet documents. At this stage, we bring in human experts to train it with high-quality Q&A pairs. For example, experts teach it when the user asks what 1 plus 1 is, you should answer 2. When the user asks why the sky is blue, you should explain really scatterly. This process helps the AI learn the fixed solutions and mimic experts' behavior, making the base model more useful and reliable. It becomes an SFT model. The final step is reinforcement learning. In this step, for one question, the AI generates multiple answers. In Andrew's example, the AI is asked to tell 3 crony jokes labeled A, B, and C. Then a human teacher or another AI teacher grades them. Here, I also let my AI give me the 3 jokes. Joke A is, "Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field." Okay, this one's good. And joke B, "I'm reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to put down." Okay, not bad. And joke C, what do you call a fake noodle? Impasta. Okay, I think today's AI can write good jokes. And then I will grade them, and I think the joke A is the best. Then joke C and joke B maybe is the worst. And the AI will remember my choice after countless rounds of this survival of phase. The AI's response become more alleged with human preference. So far, we've covered what AI is and the 3 steps of AI training: pre-training, supervised fine-tuning, and reinforcement learning. All of this was covered in Andrew's first video. His second video focuses more on how to use how to use large models and relatively easier to follow. He introduced different types of large models such as those for audio and images. For example, ChatGPT has audio inputs and voice chat features. In terms of video, the recently popular Sora 2 is a good example. If you have used these large models before and shouldn't be unfamiliar. What I really want to talk about here is how to use AI, how to chat with AI efficiently. The secret is think of yourself as AI's tutor. First of all, provide context. It's like a pre-training process. You shouldn't say, tell me about reanalysis, because the AI has an entire library and won't know where to start. Instead, treat it as a scholar helping you research. You can say, summarize the 3 characteristics of the reanalysis in language a middle school student can understand. Secondly, give AI clear instruction. It's like a supervised fine-tuning process. The vigor you promote, the more it will guess randomly. Say, write a 200 words post promoting my product, include emojis and exclamatory sentence, and keep the tune lively instead of just tell them, write me a product ad. Finally, continuously give feedbacks and make adjustments. It's like reinforcement learning. If you are not satisfied with AI's answer, don't give up. Tell it maybe too long, shorten it in 100 words or change it into another style. Every piece of feedback helps customize the AI to understand you better. Andrew also mentioned that if you've given too much information previously, it might distract the AI. So if you want to ask an irrelevant question, it's best to start a new chat and avoid confusing the AI with irrelevant context. Next step, I'll explore some more AI teaching videos and some AI relevant social media accounts, and I also try out some AI tools. I'll share my experience later. If you are also starting from zero, make sure to follow me. Let's navigate this AI learning journey together. See you in the next video. Don't forget to follow me. Bye.